At a school, there are total of 180 students in the 7th and 8th grades. The number of 7th graders is 30 more than twice the number of 8th graders. How many students are in each grade? So we need to formulate equations to find the number of students in each grade. Let us consider that in 7th grade, there are X number of students. That means in 8th grade, there will be 180 minus X. Now the next part says the number of 7th grade is 30 more than twice the number of 8th graders. So number of 7th grade, that is X, this is 30 more than, that means if we add 30 to twice the number of the students in the 8th grade, that is 180 minus X, then it will be equal to X. So this is the equation that we have formulated. This is called system of linear equation with one variable. So X is equal to 30 plus 2 times 180 is 360 and 2 times minus X is minus 2X, or X, we send minus 2X to the left hand side, it will be plus 2X. So X plus 2X is equal to 390, or 3X is equal to 390. We divide both the sides by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled, and 3 times 13 is 39. So 130 times 3 will be 390, or X is equal to 130. And we considered X is 7th grade students number. So 7th grade have 130 students. So 8th grade will have 180 minus 130 students equal to 50 students. Now check whether this 50 is twice, this 130 is 30 plus twice of 50, because it says it is 30 more than twice the number of students in 8th grade. 30 plus 2 times 50 is 100. So 130 is equal to 130. That means our answer is correct. 7th grade has 130 students and 8th grade has 50 students. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.